In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Figma plugin. We'll start right inside Figma, open the menu, go to Plugins, then Development, and choose New Plugin. When prompted, pick the With UI option. This gives you a user interface panel alongside your plugin logic, which is perfect for most workflows. Give your plugin a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. As soon as you confirm, Figma will generate a small starter project for you. Take a moment to get familiar with the files it creates. The manifest.json holds your plugin settings, like its name, ID, and which files it uses. The code.js file is the main logic that runs in Figma's environment and can create or modify nodes on the canvas. The UI.html file is your interface, the part users see and click. Think of UI.html as the front end and code.js as the back end. Let's build a tiny interface first. Open UI.io.html and add a title plus a single button. Wire that button to send a message to the plugin when it's clicked using parent.postMessage with a simple payload, for example, a type of create box. This is how your UI talks to the main code. If the UI never sends a message, the plugin can't react. Now switch to code.js. Start by calling figma.showUI to display your interface. Then listen for incoming messages with figma.UI.onMessage. When you receive the create box message, create a rectangle, resize it to something like 200 by 100, set a solid fill color, and append it to the current page. That's the basic request and response loop. The UI requests an action, and the plugin executes it on the canvas. Time to try it out. In Figma, go to Plugins, Development, and select your plugin to run it. Your UI panel should pop up. Click the button you added, and a rectangle should appear on the canvas. If it does, great, you've closed the loop between UI and functionality. From here, iterate. Make a small change, rerun the plugin, and confirm the result. Keep refining until the behavior is smooth and predictable. This is the fastest way to spot issues and improve the experience. Once you have the basics, you can extend the plugin to generate layouts, rename layers in bulk, insert icons or images, create social media templates, or even connect external APIs for smarter features. When you're ready to share, open Plugins, Development, and choose